This is a Southbeats production.
I became a shell of a man, a burnt-out, desolate man.
Some people think they can outsmart me. Maybe. Maybe.
Look, I want to be honest with you. I really need a job, and I will take any position as long as it doesn't involve having sex with old ladies for money or bear traps. Those are my two bugaboos.
If I were gay, you'd want me. Really? Really? I got style, I'm cultured, I'm sophisticated, and all that just radiates from your oh so sexy self.